Hello, we have a Mocom S17 Classic to download the last 50 cycles, which is what we want to do a reasonable amount of diagnostics. We're at the home screen here, so should
we put the USB stick in first?
Put the USB stick in first, of course.
And wait, you hear the beep to say it's acknowledged the USB stick?
It's acknowledged the USB stick, so we're going to come along here using these two buttons. So we're into USB management, and we press OK, and we want USB management here. So we went too far. So that's the one, USB management, press OK, and we want to go for the last 50, and then press OK. And it starts downloading.
And then when it's completed that, so there's a couple of things. First off, like in the workshop for us, we don't want to use the new menu. We want to download like the last 10 or the last 50. 50 gives us a good number to look at some historical and see what's happening. If we use the new, that's the one the client uses. The machine has an internal memory and knows when you last downloaded the cycles and only gives them the new ones. So if we downloaded the new ones, when the client goes back and downloads them again, it'll only get it from the point that we've downloaded, so they'll lose that information. So
yes.
In our workshop, we need to use either the last 10, 50 or 100. That takes a little bit of time. So the memory sticks on these can be a little bit fussy, so we want them formatted in the FAT format mode.
FAT32?
No, FAT.
Just FAT?
Just FAT.
Just FAT?
Just fat bastards. And then hopefully that gives us, and the USB sticks need to be less than 2 gigabytes, so the smaller the better. We'll just pause the video here, and we'll just download the last cycle, and it says download complete, remove the key.
So it's now safe to remove the key.
Yep. Cool.
And now
we can download the cycles. So on these machines, we don't leave the key in. We only put the key in to download the cycles. Otherwise, it can cause some errors.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.